This is not my favorite makeup day, but we're gonna do it anyways. Hi everyone, my name is Issaplease and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then I hope you like me enough to like, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. My name is Issaplease there. And if it's your second time, then welcome back and I hope that you have fun. Just in case you guys are wondering, I like to make videos about anything and everything in my life, and today we are gonna be reviewing this little nugget right over here. It doesn't look that interesting, but you will be surprised, my friends, because this is actually a blending brush cleaner. Yeah, I kind of want to tell you guys a little bit about how I ran into this awesome, or potentially could be very awesome product. I was on YouTube and I was checking out videos, and then I saw this girl who was reviewing the exact same thing, and I was like, oh my god, I must have it. And for the sake of my very little viewers, I also wanted to share it with you. My understanding about this product is that it was originally created to be a toy, what do you even call it, but I guess people figured out a way to turn it into like a blending brush cleaner because you can actually fit one inside. But at the same time, I think that this was originally intended for your blending brushes, because when I searched this on Lazada, which is where I got this for like 400 pesos with the shipping, it does say that it is a makeup brush cleaner. So I'm gonna add the link in the description below so you guys can go check it out. I really wanted to get it and see it for myself because I am super anal about my blending brush and I hate it when it gets dirty. So I needed 2 AA batteries for this, which I already put in. As you can see, it resembles a washing machine. When you open it up, it does have these stickers which you are supposed to put in front. I am not a fan of the stickers, so I might just keep it, but I will definitely put this on so that it looks like a legit washing machine. And I might just keep the little girl because she kind of freaks me out. And I don't know how long you're supposed to do it, but anyways, I don't know where the water goes either. It doesn't have any instructions aside from the photo at the back, which says this. So I don't actually know how to use this, but I'm just gonna wing it. Typically how you use a standard washing machine, which I also have not done in real life. Here is my beauty blender. I like to call it a booty blender, and it is really dirty. I popped it in, and then we're just gonna add water and soap, so hold on guys. Okay, so what I did was I added water. Shit, this is not easy. Then I added like a pump of my facial wash. Sige, lagay natin dito. Break up with your boyfriend. Oh, the one thing that I don't like about this is that this is kind of flimsy. Pag natanggal to, or if it gets out of place, it's gonna go everywhere, like literally everywhere. Oh my god, by the way guys, I went to the laundry, I got a laundry, and they gave me like this random underwear. Anyways, parang I don't like this. Pag natanggal siya, the water is gonna spew everywhere. So you might wanna secure this with like scotch tape or a band-aid or something. So I'm just gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna go press go. It's dripping everywhere, mother. Oh my god, this is not good. So nabasa yung baba. Oh my god, this is a fail. I think I added too much water. Oh my god, this is horrible. Idiota. Pause nga. Pause. I'm so curious. Oh my god, it's getting wet sa baba. Why is you wet at the bottom though? So I don't really like the fact that the water is falling from the bottom, because the batteries are here and I don't want to break it. So I turned it off. Oh, see? Natanggal na naman siya. So I am draining it. If you can see that. The novelty was cute, and I like the thought behind it, but it's stupid. I know it's clean because I can see that the water is kind of dirty. This is not the high quality video I had in mind. But anyways, I'm gonna squeeze it and you guys can see. Oh, that nasty goodness. Ew, look at that, the gunk. That's so gross. So, ew, that's so gross. That is so disgusting. It does work. You can see like the majority of my makeup is here. Liguin ko na lang siya. I'm gonna put this back inside here. And then add and the thing. Sige, di ko na lang siya i-fold. Put it back here. Hi! Stress. Ay! But anyways, I'm gonna go turn it on. Story time. I woke up this morning and I had so many cuts on my fingers. I don't even know why. I'm so sad. I don't actually know if it stops on its own. The girl that I saw this video from, hers stopped automatically. But I don't know about this one. So I'm just gonna stop it. And you can see that the water is dirty. See? The water is dirty. Oh my god, I punctured it. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm gonna put this back inside and maybe we'll dry it. Let's see how that works. Girl, ang layo muna. It's supposed to be here. It's running away. I will figure that out later. Okay, so that review was kind of stupid. This video is kind of a waste of life, but I did it anyways. I feel like I kind of wasted 400 pesos on it, but it's okay. That was my review. Actually, that wasn't a review. That was me showing you how not to use the washing machine thing nga majig to wash your beauty blender. But like, it kind of works because nakikita ko naman na it works because natatanggal naman talaga yung makeup that is on the sponge, and you can tell because the water gets murky, which means it is cleaning out your makeup sponge, whatever. But like, honestly, feeling ko it doesn't deep clean it because I still have a lot of the product that was stuck at the base of my beauty blender, so I still need to go in and clean it even more. So honestly, I would just think that scrubbing it with your soap and water would do a really better job at it than just like leaving it there. But it's fun to have and I'm gonna keep using it, and I might just change my mind. So I hope that you guys like this video. Out of 10, I would kind of rate this product a 6. So I hope that you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, and follow me if you want more videos like this. Maybe when I'm not so much in a hurry, my videos will get better. But yeah, if you want to get this, the item or the link is in the description below. Don't forget to follow me on my socials, and I'll see you guys next time. What do you think about this product? Let me know in the comment section below. Bye!